Hi, I'm Bill from LB Retro. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to clean up a simple pair of trainers that are a little bit dirty, not the dirtiest we've seen, but I've got a product for you that I use all the time and you will love the results, I'm sure of it. Sorry if you already know this, but I'm trying to teach all of you how I do things, and maybe you could improve as a reseller, and that's what I'm all about. It's about sharing all our hints and tips together so we can grow together as a community. So give it a nice big thumbs up, comment below, the product I use in the description below, and I get a small fee from all the links below, so if you could click them, that support my channel. I really appreciate it, thanks, and I'll see you at the end. Thanks. Now, you're going to admit these trainers are not the dirtiest of trainers I've ever had, but cleaning your trainers up actually does justice to your photos and guarantees you a quick sale, even if you price up for things. Some people I find really funny, some of their photos, not just resellers, just general public, they just put up dirty laces, dirty heels, big stuff in the bottom of the shoe. So you can get this shoe like this, and I'll show you the other shoe that I've cleaned up today, to like this. Now, don't you think that's a big improvement? I'll get side by side. I mean, if you look how dirty they are to them, that's literally what you can get with this product. So I'll just show you the product and how I clean these items just quickly. It won't be a quick it won't be a rundown how to clean them, because I'm sure you all know how to clean the actual items. But the product I use is elbow grease. It's fantastic stuff. You can get it from pound shops and Amazon below. Believe it or not, you can get it from Amazon in my description below for £1 next day delivery. So that's amazing, and this stuff is brilliant. It does all sorts, from kitchens to bathrooms, vehicles, fabrics, all sorts, so it's safe. It has got a bit of a pungent sort of smell to it. It smells very similar to oven sort of cleaner, but it does say solvent free. So and if it can go on actual fabrics, and I've done it on many fabrics before and it's been fine, you know. So let's give it a go. So just a quite a liberal spray on this, and I like to use a big microfiber cloth and a nice big rub. I'm going to get some nice brushes to sort of help aggravate the actual trainer, but it does a really good job. Just from, if you look at that now, that, you know, that's pretty good. I mean, look at the state of the other side. Look, just from that, it does all the rubber, all the fabric. So as I say, this stuff is brilliant, and you literally just liberally, I don't normally do in the light box, but it's nice and bright in here, but you can really give it a good clean. And look, just look at that. I mean, that does need a bit more detail cleaning, like in the areas there, you know, sort of that area there. But just from a general clean, I think that looks pretty good, you know. If you look at the other side, that looks pretty amazing, I think. And I'm knackering up my light box here, but never mind. I think, in all honest, it's a great product for £1. What could you ask for more? It does a great job. I use it for everything, spraying down countertops to all sorts. And I mean, as I say, I use it on trainers, and I find it a great product. So all the links, as I say, are in the description below. I get a small fee from it, so I do appreciate if you could just click that, and then it's only a few pence every item, believe it or not, but that all helps in growing my channel. The equipment alone is a lot, as you YouTubers know, so it does help. Thanks ever so much. I know it's a quick video today, but I've been inspired by all your comments and suggestions when I go live with people, saying that they liked hints and tips and stuff. So thanks for all your comments. Your comments make it possible for me to do things. I really forget the actual there's resellers out there just starting out or don't know how to do things, so ask me, even if it's just so small, how do you do things, and I might feature your comment and your suggestion in a video in the future. So give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. We've got tons of videos coming out every week. Ring that ding-a-dong bell so you don't actually forget to see our videos. It's good to get that ding-a-dong bell because it emails you when we release a video. I'm not a crazy YouTuber that releases 50 YouTube videos a day. 1 or 2 a week, and some of them are hints and tips, some of them are lives, some are charity shop hauls. So it's worth subscribing and hitting that ding dong bell. Thanks very much, and also hit that like. Thanks. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye bye.